So what's up guys, welcome to the Samsung Galaxy S10 versus the Samsung Galaxy S9. So guys, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will have a better camera than the S9. It is having a triple camera setup and also has a dual aperture camera. That means an improvement in the low light photography. Samsung Galaxy S10 will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. The in-display fingerprint scanner is only for two models. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is rumored to have a new bezel-less display. It is possible by bending the display in the body of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is also rumored to have a S Pen. With the new powerful processor, it will be a beast in terms of performance. So 2019 will be a great year for smartphones. So let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about the 2019 smartphones. So with that said, this is KOSYTB signing off.